In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Google Chrome's slow or lagging issue in Windows 10. If Chrome has been taking too long to open, freezing while you browse, or just feeling unusually sluggish, this quick process can help improve its performance. We'll go through a few built-in Chrome settings that often cause slowdowns, especially if too many extensions are installed or background features are using extra system resources. Start by opening Google Chrome on your Windows 10 computer. Once Chrome is open, go to the top right corner and click the three-dot menu. From that menu, click Extensions and then select Manage Extensions. This area shows all the extensions currently installed in your browser. Take a moment to review what's listed here. Extensions can be useful, but having too many active at the same time can slow Chrome down, especially if some of them are running constantly in the background. If you notice any extensions you no longer use or don't need, this is where you can remove them. Cleaning up unnecessary extensions can make a noticeable difference in browser speed and overall responsiveness. After that, go back to the top right corner and click the three dots again. This time, choose Settings. In the Settings menu, click System. Here, look for the option that allows Chrome to continue running background apps when Google Chrome is closed. Toggle this setting off. Disabling background apps can reduce unnecessary resource usage and help your system run more smoothly, especially if Chrome has been affecting performance even when you're not actively using it. Next, click Performance. In this section, turn on the memory option. This feature is designed to help Chrome manage memory more efficiently, which can improve performance when you have multiple tabs open. It's especially helpful if your browser starts lagging after extended use. Then, go to Privacy and Security. From there, click the option to delete browsing data. When this page opens, proceed with deleting the browsing data. Clearing this data can remove temporary files and cached content that may have built up over time and started slowing the browser down. This is a simple but effective step that often helps Chrome feel faster and cleaner. Once you've completed these changes, Chrome should run more smoothly. If needed, you can close and reopen the browser to help the new settings take full effect. These small adjustments are easy to do and can make a big improvement in speed and performance on Windows 10. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.